20 foods that instantly boost your magnesium, ranked. Pumpkin seeds. Extremely concentrated in magnesium. Great as a snack or salad topping. Chia seeds. High magnesium plus fiber plus omega-3s. Easy to add to smoothies or oatmeal. Flaxseeds. Rich in magnesium and plant-based omega-3 fats. Brazil nuts. Provide magnesium plus powerful selenium for antioxidant support. Almonds. Excellent everyday snack with vitamin E and healthy fats. Cashews. Creamy nut packed with magnesium and copper. Sunflower seeds. Affordable, mineral-dense, and easy to sprinkle on meals. Dark chocolate, 70% plus. Surprisingly high in magnesium. Choose minimally processed varieties. Spinach, cooked. One of the best leafy green sources of magnesium. Swiss chard. Mineral-rich green with magnesium and potassium. Edamame. Complete plant protein with solid magnesium levels. Black beans. Fiber-rich legume that supports steady mineral intake. Lentils. Balanced source of magnesium and plant protein. Chickpeas. Versatile legume for hummus, salads, and bowls. Quinoa. Higher magnesium than most grains and contains complete protein. Oats. Heart-friendly grain that adds steady magnesium daily. Brown rice. Better mineral profile than white rice. Avocado. Provides moderate magnesium with healthy fats. Kale. Contains magnesium plus vitamin K. Banana. Adds small amounts of magnesium alongside potassium. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.